Hey guys, here is a pretty interesting find. This is a 42-inch Emerson Premium ceiling fan in appliance white and brass. This fan is from June of 1999. It has a 4-spot light kit on it, which I do not think that's an Emerson light kit. I think it's just some kind of aftermarket light kit. It's in good shape nonetheless. Yeah, I found this on Facebook. It's actually been on there for a while. I'd say it's been on there for about a half a year. And I just didn't get it because it was pretty far from my house. It was about an hour drive, and I really just didn't feel like going all the way there. But the person lowered the price to the point where I would drive far to get it. So I asked the lady, what's the address? And she saw on my Facebook profile that she actually works in the town that I live in. So she said, oh, you can just come pick it up after I'm done work. So instead of the hour drive, it was about a 10-minute drive. So that worked out very well. Yeah, so I'll demonstrate the light. It's a 3-way light kit. There's 2, the other 2, and that. There's low speed. This was Emerson's answer to the Casablanca Lady Delta. I'll tell you what, this thing really flies on high. Pretty sure it's just the same as how Lady Delta would be. Unfortunately, it's my least favorite finish. I really don't like white and brass, but it's a cool fan though. I have mixed feelings about that light kit on it. I usually like spotlight kits a lot, but on this one I think it'll look good. Probably just a little bit better without that light kit on it. But who knows? That is a kind of a fast low, but it's not really an issue. Here's medium speed. Has a slight wobble because the flywheel is a little bit bent. It's sitting on its blades when I got it, so of course it has some wear and tear. But it's quiet, no bearing noise, nothing like that. It even came with the original pendant fob there. You can kind of see it right there. It's about medium, here's high. And it just takes off on high. I mean, you could hear the stuff blowing around in here. And that piece of string up there, you can see it's going into the fan. There. Still have to clean it up a little bit, but I have the mounting bracket as well. It's missing actually one of the nuts, but I could find a replacement for that. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.